again?
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Will and thanks for coming to check out my YouTube channel. This is Modern Kit Vintage Soul, and that title does have some significance to it. My former instructor from my Berklee days, he goes by Erik Hawk on YouTube. He's got a vintage piece of equipment called the Sequential Tom, and he's done a full review on that piece of equipment, so you can go and check that out. But he put together a multi-track drum pattern during his video, and he sent it over to me, so I thought it would be fun to take the sounds from the Sequential Tom and mix it with my modern equipment. Also, you can ask him about some of the merchandise that he has for sale. You've got t-shirts and cups, which I have both of, and yeah, so he'll tell you how to get a hold of that stuff. I'm kind of curious what you guys prefer to use. Is it vintage stuff or modern stuff or software or whatever? So let me know in the comments section what you prefer to use to make music with, or what you like watching people make music with. Other than that, we're just going to go ahead and get right into the music. Thank you everybody for subscribing, for liking my videos, for just being supportive, and stick around for more information after the video. I got some more stuff to share with you guys. So let's go.
Alright, might as well put on some music. All these weird gadgets, you think they'd give you a radio.
What would you like to hear?
What the hell was that?
Well guys, there you have it. I will say this video was a lot of fun to make, but this is like the third or fourth iteration of this project, and I'm glad to be done. I will say that my thoughts on never giving up were really tested. A lot of human error on my part, and I had some technical difficulties. I had several pieces of gear burned down on me on a fluke accident. So many issues. And also, you know what? Life happens. In those times where I was having a hard time, I received a hand out to help me back up. You know, you have to put your support into others. And I feel like when you do that, you will receive the support that you need to keep going. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So, you know, if you need help with something, feel free to hit me up or leave a comment in this video, and I will get back to you. And for all my subscribers and everybody who's ever thumbed up my video, or even thumbed down my video for that matter, thank you so much, guys. And so with that, I'm gonna close it out. Until next time, guys. Later.